Every week, new this, new report, new announcements. But what does it all mean for Africa? That's the question most headlines never answer. That is what the stake is here to uncover. This week, two storylines does this apart. One exposes Africa's biggest AI weakness, the other could be part of the solution. But do they actually solve the same problem? Let's find out. A new report from Boston Consulting Group revealed one number that says almost everything. Africa is home to 18% of the world population, but less than 1% of the world data center capacity. That might sound like just another statistic, but it is not. Because AI doesn't just live in the cloud, it runs inside data center, building filled with servers, power, cooling system, and high-speed internet. Without them, Africa depends on someone else to build, train, and run the AI we use. The report also said AI could add nearly $16 trillion to the global economy by 2030. The question is, how much of that value will stay in Africa? Just 4 days before that report was released, Nigeria announced the Atlas Network. The goal is to bring African government, researchers, and companies together to build AI models that understand African languages. It's an important step, yes, but today, fewer than 2% of AI systems meaningfully support African languages, even though Africa is home to nearly a third of the world languages. The gap needs to be fixed. But here's where this truth story comes together. Building better AI model is not the same as building the infrastructure that they need. You can build the smartest African AI model in the world, but it still needs somewhere to run. It needs data center, it needs electricity, it needs compute. The very things Africa doesn't have enough of at the moment. So maybe the biggest challenges isn't building African AI. Maybe it's building the foundation that African AI needs. Because history has shown that the people who own the infrastructure usually shape the future. The question is, will Africa build that foundation in time? That is what's really at stake at the moment.